Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Nia. Hmm. So um, I had a couple of no, I had one surf rider this morning. I'll look at an MT5 because that saves it. MT4, MT5, trade one. Caught this wave down under the surf. Tr Trade one banked. It's come back and it's just stopped out at positive break even on trade two. So I can see we've got it's really rangy, but we banked profit. Obviously, I could have closed that manually, but I just wanted to leave it and see what it did. So yeah, looking good. What Surf Rider can do. Um, Aussie dollar, nothing. We had Toby alert on that this morning, but it turned out not to be a setup. Same for euro dollar. I don't want to do anything with it at the moment. We've got some US news as well. We've got crude this afternoon, and then this evening there is sorry, this evening there is interest rate decision and some FOMC statements and projections coming out. So it might be wise to stay out of any trades. This market will probably be a little stagnant this afternoon up until then. So just bear that in mind. Um, Pound nothing, Kiwi dollar nothing. A USD CAD, I put a bouncer on that this morning. Leave that on. I was saying I want to see it pull back to somewhere here, somewhere heading towards the 50, which ties in with this impulse move here. There'll be some imbalance in that fair value gap. So bounce alert USD CAD. USD Swiss nothing. USD yen. We've put a bounce alert on that. It's not very clear, but we do have it's pushing up. So see what happens if and when it interacts with the 20. The euro was we'll we'll maybe put an alert on that for a bounce alert tomorrow morning. Euro CAD not interested in that. Euro Swiss not interested. Euro pound not interested. Euro Kiwi not interested. Pound Oz. See how it looks tomorrow. Pound CAD nothing. Pound Swiss I'm interested in that. Pound Kiwi no. Aussie yen we've put a bounce alert on that this morning. We'll leave that on. You could put bounce alert on these others, but I'm just going to leave it on Aussie yen. I don't want loads of alerts on driving me nuts. It's not interesting. Mm. Cat Swiss, not really. No, 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 no. That's about it, folks. We've just got bounce alert, USD CAD, USD yen, Aussie yen. Anything that anybody else has seen? Anybody, any questions? Um, all JPY pairs are going to retrace for phase two. There's only strategy to catch a pullback. Um, uh, well, let's have a look. So catch this pullback. You want to be on obviously on a lower time frame. Hmm. Hmm. Could have been a surf rider, maybe up here or up here. So we missed that. Yeah, surf rider short earlier this morning. Yeah, and maybe maybe try a 1 minute Toby. Yeah, I mean this has started going back to upside swishing, hasn't it? So yeah, they're that one's off again. Cadgen looks like it's going to caffle over. Aussie End does. But yeah, you haven't got Surf Rider, have you? So Toby, Surf Rider recording. I haven't done anything on Surf Rider. It's not. I haven't released it yet. I'm still testing it here. I'm just, I'm just giddy about it. Um, but like anything, there can be losers. It really is depending on the inputs and where you're trading it with Surf Rider. Like it'll work on 4 hour. It would have traded. It would have placed a trade somewhere in that for a buy. Back in November. Would have traded somewhere up there for a sell, depending on the inputs. It's great. I'm really loving Surf Rider. I just, yeah, I need to keep testing it. We made which trades? We made those trades. That's great. We made those trades. I'm saying it would have done it. It didn't do because I didn't have it. It won't release. I didn't have it then, but yeah. Well, I'll be sharing it with you guys soon. Um, I just need to make sure it's doing everything it should be because this morning it didn't. It moved to break even, but it didn't trail, and I were getting rejection messages. Um, so I'm not sure why that was, but I need to look at that. So I'll get that straightened up and then hopefully release it to you guys. I plan to do a workshop this month before Christmas because Steve was interested in doing a workshop on trendline break. So I'll um I'll look at some dates tonight and I'll post those in the Telegram group. So watch out for those and let's try and get a date together to go over um a workshop for trendline break. Oh, you're really enjoying the pen. Cool. Nice pens, yeah. And it's got a stylus thing for your iPad on the other end. Yeah, brilliant. Glad you like it. All right, thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow at 6:30. Bye for now.